upload it without recording as well. But please remind me, okay? They no. Okay, you should also give reason. Saying sorry is not enough. Okay, sometimes you may not be able to do it even later. Okay, so you give a reason, right? I'm so sorry, I won't be able to do that because I am stuck up with my project. Okay, or any reason. So saying sorry is not just enough. You have to give a reason to be genuine, to sound genuine. I'm honored that you asked me, but I can't do it. Wow, Shruti, wow. That's very nice. Thank you. So, yes, this is one of the way to say that a beautiful expression. Okay, now, and you see, there was one response. Just a minute. Oh, my voice is low. You know what? This is the problem with my headphone. Wait, wait. There was a response which I wanted to correct. Let me check. Okay, it is I won't be able to do it. See, I won't able nahi, I won't be able to do it. You have to add BEB in it in the middle of want and able. Okay. Now, are you all able to see the screen? Say yes or no. You all only Omdev can see the screen. See, others can't. Do you understand what is to be done? Do you have any idea what you are expected to do from whatever you see on the screen? Network issue with other, yes. Umdev, this network is no very convenient. So when they are expected something to do, network always goes off, you know. So people have good friendship with the network. Network understands the need of the person very well, need in terms of when to flee away. Okay. Do you understand what is to be done? Can somebody tell me something? What do you think is the activity? Hope the network is fine at your end. Ah, that's true. I'm glad, Omdev, you are in my class. Acha, Shrey, see, I enjoy taking the name of the people spontaneously. That can help me figure out whether they are there or they are roaming elsewhere in the phone. Shrey, Shreya, Vaishnani,
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Thank you, Shreya, for being there. Shreya, what do you think is there in the slide? What
Ma'am,
have
you're
you
not audible. What you're speaking, I can't hear.
can't hear it? Can you hear now?
Yes, now it
Okay, Shreya, what do you think is there in the PPT? Any guess what the activity is?
means conversation we have to do. For example, your bank is given and full in the form. So, employee will say that, can you fill the form? And The taker will say that yes, sure, I can fill the form.
Very nice.
Like
Great. So what you have to do is, like, had we been there in the classroom, we could have done it little differently. I mean, we could have done it exactly the way Shreya said. But now, since we are in offline mode, making partners and all that will not work because I tried once, it's not working that well. We are doing it in a different manner. What will you do is, you will prepare the dialogue for each of them. You will write down the dialogues in your book. Okay, you have to write the conversation between two people. Okay, in your case, you will always name person A and person B. You have to write the conversation on A's behalf and on B's behalf. One person makes a request, another person responds. Now you have to respond both positive and negative, right? So you have to make one conversation where a request is being made, and request is made, and after the request, the request is responded positively and negatively both. Now do you understand what are you expected to do? Uday Aghara? Uday?
Yes, ma'am.
Uday, beta, did you understand what is to be done?
Yes.
Can you explain it in Gujarati or any other language? Yes, Uday? I think Uday is not very clear of what is to be done. Yash Booth. Is Yash Booth listening to us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, did you understand what is to be done? Or no? Vaibhav Parekh? Vaibhav Parekh? Vaibhav Parekh is not paying attention to whatever we are saying. Maybe he's not there in the class, somewhere else maybe. See, many people are leaving the class saying, thinking that this is not the good time to be in the class. Uday, no. Uday, could you figure it out? Mihir Kapadia. Mihir, are you listening to me? Raj Chabadia, Nikhil Moore, Viraj Dodia, Yash Limbasia, Yograj Singh Wagila, this is the best time to take attendance since many people have left the class. Okay, I'll speak the names. Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, thank you. At least you responded. Many people are behaving as if they can't hear me. Aryan, do you know what is to be done?
No, ma'am.
Very nice. Thank you for informing this to me. So, what you have to do is you have to write the conversation between two people, right? The place is given and task is given. So, in order to fulfill the task, you have to write the conversation between two people, person A and person B. You have to write the dialogues, right? And now, did you understand?
हाँ मैडम वो तो पता है.
હમ તો હું તો એ જ પૂછું છું. Aryan, can you explain this to the entire class once in your own language? Maybe if those who don't understand English, you can use any other language. Can you do it? No? Dhruvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruvi, can you explain this
Yes,
once
ma'am.
again? Yeah, please.
Ma'am, actually, we have to do conversation between two person, and we have to write this like a dialogue writing.
વેરી નાઇસ. કેટલા બધા લોકોને છે ને ક્વેશ્ચન જ નહોતો સમજાયો. એ લોકો એવું વિચારતા હતા કે હું તમને કન્વર્ઝેશન પૂછું છું. હું તમને એવું પૂછતી હતી કે તમને સમજાઈ ગયું શું કરવાનું છે? તમારે ડાયલોગ્સ લખવાના છે બે વ્યક્તિ વચ્ચેના. ડન? કેન યુ ડુ ધેટ? હવે હું કોઈ પણનું નામ લઈને ડાયલોગ્સ પૂછીશ. ટેલ મી હાઉ મચ ટાઈમ ડુ યુ નીડ ટુ રાઇટ ધ ડાયલોગ્સ? You have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 situations are there. I want you to do it first for first four: bank, restaurant, office, and hotel. Just do it for first four. How much time do you need to do this? Okay, the conversation is not between two people. તમે બંનેના dialogues તમારે જ લખવાના છે. બરાબર? બંનેના dialogues. For example, Omdev will write the dialogue for person A and person B, meaning the person who is requesting and the person who is responding. And Omdev will write two responses for one request, positive and negative. Okay, and the same is for everybody else. Now I'm asking how much time do you need? Aryan, how much time do you need to write the four conversations? Aryan and Dani? But how much time do you think you require to write four conversations? Okay, I'm giving 10 minutes to everybody. Okay, it's 9:21. You have time till 9:31. Start writing the dialogues. After 10 minutes, I'll speak the name of one student, and that student has to read the dialogues that are written in his or her book. Yes, meet Sojitra. Please tell me, what is it that you have raised the hand for? Hello, meet.
सॉरी मैम, भूलती रह गया था।
ओके ओके। Last 1 minute. Hope you completed the conversation. Could you complete it? Yes or no? I'm giving you last 1 minute. After that, I'll take the names of the students, and whoso name has been announced, he or she will read the dialogues written in his or her book. Okay, let us start reading the conversations now. I would request Viraj Dodia to read his dialogues first. Viraj, is Viraj there? Viraj, are you able to hear me? Sahil Kalola, Sahil, do you hear me? Shyam, Shyam led the meeting. Vaibhav Parekh,
Yes.
Vaibhav, can you read your dialogues, please?
आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
Can you read your dialogues, please? Paras, is Paras listening to me? Okay. I think nobody has prepared the dialogue, right? You were just sitting, and this is not going to work. If has anybody prepared the dialogues, they can raise their hand. It means nobody has written any dialogue. Ishita? Acha, Dhruvi Mandalya. Okay, Dhruvi, yes. Can you
Yes,
please read
ma'am.
the? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. मैम ऑफिस वाला किया है.
Okay, please to read that.
Okay. Okay. Person है hello sorry Joy, hello Drumel, can you please please send email on behalf of me? Drumel, yes, sure, send me all details. This one was positive, and negative is like, hello Joy, can you please send an email on behalf of me? Drumel, no, I can't. I am a bit busy. You can take help from any other.
Okay, so you can say, no, I can't. I'm a little busy now. Can you please take the help from someone else? So that is a request, okay? So when you
Okay,
say
ma'am.
take help from someone else is an order, looks rude, but rather you can say, can you please take help from someone else? That's a request, but I like the idea that you added this sentence, right? Thank you so much for doing it wonderfully well. Yes, Uday, you can read them. Raj, yes, you can type them there.
मैम मैंने बैंक वाला किया है.
Ha, please read it.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, I want to open a saving account. Sure.
Hmm.
Please fill in the form and give it to me.
Hmm.
Sorry, but I do not know how you fill in the form. Okay, you are on table number 2. We will help you.
Okay, so you can say
Thank you,
but
sir.
sorry. Yes, so Uday, you could have said sorry. I'm sorry, but I don't know how to fill the form. And then you can say you can go to table number 2 and somebody would help you. Uday, very nice. Thank you. I am glad that you were hearing me yesterday when I was explaining this. Thank you so much. Raj says, person A, would you mind helping me in filling this form? And positive you say, no, I don't, no, I'm sure. No, comma, sure, I would help you. So you don't have to say, no, I don't mind. You can say, sure, I would help you, right? Sorry, but I can't help you as I am busy, right? That is uh, the way you can write. Anybody else would like to read the dialogues? Last chance. Omdev, yes, please, beta. Read them loud.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes, I'm
वो
able to hear you.
होटल वाला किया होटल.
Okay, please read it.
Hello.
Yes, we are able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
hear you.
Sir, ma'am, ma'am, customer, are you from room service department?
Okay.
Hotel service department? Yes. How can we help you? Then
Hmm.
customer, send me some towel, please. Then hotel service department. Okay, sir, it will be sent to your room quickly.
Very nice. Thank you, Omdev. Very nice. I would make one suggestion. Can you please send some towels in the room, right? So make it more polite. Very nice. Thank you for doing it. Anybody else? Would anyone else like to read? Meet Vasani says, can you fill in the form? Negative is, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm very busy right now. You have to give the reason. And positive, yes, sure, I would. You can say, I would do it. I will do it. I, I can. So that's how you can write the whole sentence. Okay, let us do one more. Right? I'm giving you again 10 minutes time. Take one more situation and do it. Okay. I hope this time newer students would be able to do it. Okay, students, we are approaching towards the end of the session. Can you please read your dialogues now? Just volunteer to read them. Raise your hand. I won't be able to take many people. Just 2 to 3 students would do. Yes, Dhruvi. Please read your dialogues.
Okay, ma'am. Call center. Hello, ma'am. Can you please give address of your one of the employee?
Okay.
Sorry, sir. We can't give any personal details.
Okay, very nice. Anybody else? Uday, yes, please read them.
Home wala, madam.
Yes, please read it.
Hey, Samir. Yes, mom. Please turn off your TV and go to sleep. Sorry, mom, because my favorite TV show is coming.
Very nice. I like the innovation, like you used mom and a son. Very good. So you can say, sorry, mom, I can't because my favorite show is going on. Just that change. And yes, Limbasi, I would like negative response means you have to reply negatively. You don't have to request negatively. See, you requested negatively. In one sentence, can you bring us some water? In another sentence, you are saying, no, we don't want anything. Okay? So you to respond negatively, meaning you will say, could you bring us some water? And then the waiter says, sure, sir, I'll be back in a minute. And negative is, will say, can you bring us some water? And waiter says, sorry, sir, I'm attending one guest. I will ask someone to send you the water. Right? Last person. I'll take one last person to read it and then we'll take attendance. Nobody? Great. I'm so happy your participation in the class is increasing, but I still want a better performance. Number 2, 3,
Yes,
2 present, ke 3 present.
2 present.
Yes. Please unmute your mic before your turn comes, and I will speak the number 1. 4,
Yes.
3 or 4.
3.
Be
3.
quick. Be quick in answering. Okay, don't reply so late. Number 4,
Yes.
5,
Yes.
6,
Yes, ma'am.
8,
Yes.
9,
Yes.
10,
Yes.
11,
Yes.
12,
Yes.
13, 14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Yes.
16,
Yes, ma'am.
17, 20,
Present, ma'am.
23, 23, absent, 24,
To present, ma'am.
22. क्या आता
Yes.
અત્યાર સુધી? Please be attentive, okay? At
તમે
least attendance પર ધ્યાન
બોલેલા
રાખો.
જ નહીં
તમારો
ને.
નંબર આવે ત્યારે બોલો. પારસ, મેં તારું નામ 4 વખત ક્લાસમાં લીધું ને ત્યારે તું નહોતો રિપ્લાય કરતો. 22, 25, 26, 27, 29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
33, 34, 35,
Yes.
37,
Present.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42, 45,
Present, ma'am.
46. શ્યામ તારે નામ બોલતી હતી ત્યારે તું મને રિપ્લાય નતો કરતો, મીટિંગ એક્ઝેટ કરી નાખતો હતો. હવે અટેન્ડન્સ વખતે તમે આવી ગયા છો.
કીધું ત્યારે હું વળી પાછું રીજોઈન
એવું કઈ નથી શ્યામ, તે મને રિપ્લાય જ ન કર્યો.
સોરી
46,
Yes.
47, 48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50, 51, 52,
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
51 present, 52 સાહિલ.
Present.
સાહિલ, मैं हूँ तारू नाम बोलती थी ત્યારે મને રિપ્લાય કેમ નતો કર્યો?
मैम आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा था.
ऐसा नहीं था, सबको सुनाई दे रहा था, आपको कैसे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा था? और फिर भी मैंने टाइप भी किया था चैट बॉक्स में, तो आप पढ़ भी नहीं सकते थे क्या? 53,
Present, ma'am.
55, 56,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58, 59, 61, 62, 65,
Present, ma'am.
66, 68,
I'm 67.
Present, ma'am.
હા 67. એક મિનિટ, આમાં છે ને 7 અને 8 આગળ પાછળ લખેલું છે ને એટલે દર વખતે એવું થાય છે. 68 ધૈર્ય.
Present, ma'am.
ધૈર્ય, હું તારું નામ બોલી ત્યારે તે મને રિપ્લાય નતો કર્યો. 67 યશ પ્રેઝન્ટ. 69 કુનાલ. 70.
Present.
69 કુનાલ એબ્સેન્ટ ને 70 પ્રેઝન્ટ. 71,
Present.
73, 76, 77,
Present.
78, 79,
Present, ma'am.
80,
Yes.
81,
Present.
82,
Present.
85.
મેમ 87 પ્રેઝન્ટ.
ક્યાં હતા બેટા?
મેમ તમારો અવાજ નો આવ્યો, હું વેઇટ કરતો હતો.
હું હમણાં જ બોલી.
હા મેમ મને પણ ખબર છે, પણ તમારો અવાજ નો આવ્યો મને.
ઓકે. 88, 89.
Yes.
વૈભવ, મેં તારું નામ કેટલી વખત બોલ્યું તે મને રિપ્લાય જ ન કર્યો.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry, all of you, but next time when I take your name, at least respond. 94,
Present.
96, 97, 98, 98, Yash, Limbasia.
No, ma'am. My number is 99.
अच्छा हाँ, 98 absent, 99 present, 100, 101,
Present.
102.
Present.
Uday, I spoke so many times your name. You didn't respond to me. 72.
Yes, ma'am.
જો અત્યારે પણ ઉદય doesn't feel કે મને રિસ્પોન્સ કરવો જોઈએ કા ઉદય જવાબ આપવો શું જરૂરી છે કા મને તો ઇટ ઇઝ માય જોબ ટુ સ્પીક તમારો જોબ થોડી છે જવાબ આપવો ઉદય સાચી વાત કે નહીં
આપ્યો તો જવાબ મેં
કાઈ નતો આપ્યો ઉદય અત્યારે હજી હું બોલું છું તો તું કાઈ રિસ્પોન્સ જ નથી કરતો કે મેડમ
બે
ને
વાર ડાયલોગ તો
હવે
બોલ્યો તું
you spoke the dialogues right ha that is true
યસ
yes Uday that's great thank you and sorry okay everybody have a good day you may leave the session if you do not have any other question right I